Hello, my name is Wahid Lutfi. Happy New Year to you all. Let me just say Happy New Year to you using Google Colab so we can collaborate. Let me just do that one today. I'm going to share my screen first. And then as you can see, I'm at MyWebUniversity free education videos. You're welcome to like and subscribe. I'm going to go to collab.research.google.com. So in order for me to just put a banner for saying, I need to say Happy New Year, I need to have either Figlet installed or banner, which both of them might not be installed on this VM. So I'm on Colab again, collab.research.google.com, which is the secure page. And if I just type in this command uname -a, this will just tell me that I'm on a Linux version. And if I look at the content of this server, basically cat etc os-release to find out which release file I have, you can see I'm on Ubuntu version 18 long-term support. That is what Google provides. And since I have root access, I can just say ID, and that means that I'm root here. That means I can use the apt commands to just do further testing. So apt search, and then I could say Figlet. In order to see if the package Figlet is installed, application package toolkit search command is run, and you can see here that it is available. So I'm going to do list Figlet to see if it's already installed. If it's already installed, it will say installed, but it is not installed yet. And then I could do also apt show Figlet, and then that would just show me the package information of the entire details on the package, the version that is available, where I can fill out the bug report and so on. All that details is here on Ubuntu development email is also there. So at this time, if I just want to say, okay, I got it. Now, let me see if Figlet is already there. If I say which Figlet, it should show me the path if it is installed. Since it's not installed, it's not showing anything. But if I say some command that is there, system CTL, for example, then you can see that it is going to show me the path. Similarly, like for example, which itself, if I could just look at the which, you can see that, whereas any of these commands, you can see since it's installed, it will show you the path, but the Figlet is not showing. Figlet is not showing. And then let's see if banner is installed. Banner is not installed either, I believe. I could do check on it, and it is not installed. So I'm going to just say, let's just install a Figlet. We're gonna say apt install Figlet. That would just allow me to install the package Figlet. Since I have root access, I don't have to put sudo in front of it. It will just install it. It's going through the process of installation right now. At this time, it is just doing processing trigger ManDB. ManDB is basically updating the man pages for the Figlets. So if I just come back here on the next line here and just say which Figlet, let's see if Figlet is going to show at the bottom of that command. The apt install, it already shows it. So I'm going to put a pound in front of that one, meaning that don't run it. And then just run only the Figlet, and it shows here Figlet. Figlet is there, and then if I say which banner, let's see if the banner is also showing. No, it's not showing, but Figlet has one argument to do banner. So I could say Figlet itself, and then dash font, and then banner, and then say Happy New Year. to you all. And then when I say that one, it's going to say Happy New Year. And then I could put 2023 here. It will just say Happy New Year 2023, as you can see here. So that is very nice that you can just say to your friends and everyone from just colab.research.google.com that message that you want to say Happy New Year. You can just send it to them or being collaborating and just writing this message there. You can also do show fake fonts. Show fake fonts. Show fake fonts basically is going to show all the available fonts that are there. You can see that the fonts are extensive here. You can see the banner, the bake, and as it shows each font, the font name is BIG, bake, and then it is written in block, then bubble, then digital, then invert to converted, and so on. Everything is there, script and shadow, and then slant. So the other thing you could do is just as I'm moving the cursor down, you can see every one of them. Show fake font, the shadow, and then that's a slant. And once you do this one, if I just go back to the top, I can also just say comment this one. Now I don't want to run the show fake fonts here, the fake fonts, and I could just say now it is installed. Let's see if we say search again, it will just say the same information that we earlier we got, but if I do a list this time, it should say that it is installed, and then it will show that it is installed right here. At the same time, if I do a show, the same kind of information is there. So the app package manager, you have an option of --help, and you can see all the options that are there available for it. So list is there, search is there, show is there, install, remove, and update. So if you want to just remove the package, it would be app remove and then figlet. But since we install it, I don't want to uninstall it. And then here, if I just say shebang, not shebang, bank, which show fake font, and this one I'm going to comment it, you can see the second line is going to show me the fake fonts there. And if I just do here, since it is there, I say show me the PWD here. My print working directory is content. So if I just say let's do a ls-l on that content directory, you could see under the content I only have one sample data. So what I'm going to do is this command, I say show fake font, and then greater sign, and then just say fonts.txt, and then fonts.txt would be the fonts, but I want to just pipe it out before I do that and say grep -i, and then this colon, and then cut -d, the colon separator as the delimiter, and then minus field 1. Then I send it to a file called font.txt. So now I may have a font.txt after this. Command not found because show fake font grep -i. So show fake font. The same command that was earlier was showing, and now it says is no longer there. Let me just put this one without the space, and it's still not seeing it. Let's do a pound here, and then I'm going to just type in pound, and then show fake font, and then with fonts with S is the one that is there. Yeah, so right here this one has a S because here I had a S, so I mistyped the S. That's why when you do this one, it will show the fake font. So running it all the way in there. And so I'm going to just remove this comment. Now I should get created that file of fonts.txt. And if I just run the command this and then say ls-l fonts.txt, and then you will see that the file is actually listed here that I just got created on January 3rd, 5:53. Because the time is timestamp of Eastern time, I believe. That's why it says 5:53. Or maybe the time is off. You can see the time is and that. So here, if I just do now this one, say shebang cut fonts.txt, since I have there, and then I say while read a var or font, then I'm going to do a while read a font, and then I say do. Unfortunately, the do done is not inside this script, so you might just not get everything there because of the way, the way that this is working. So you have to do or actually I could do semicolon and then do, and then let's just say figlet -f and then $sign font, and then let's say Happy New Year. Happy New. I'm going to just say Happy New Year. We have to make it really short. So let's say Happy New Year. That's good enough. And then I'm going to say semicolon and then done. That would be, because this the entire thing is within one statement. So this bank is going to try to run it inside the VM that we have. Let's see if it, it did actually work. So this is good that you can do something like this also. So you don't have to have a terminal. And then whatever I did here, I could just change this one to say, thank you, Google, or something. Thank you, Google, for the interface. And then you can see thank you, Google is coming here on the interface there. So thanks for watching, and thank you for doing it. In order for me to just remove the fig fonts, I could just say I don't need it anymore. Since I did a demo, I could just say bang and then say app remove figlet. And then this will just remove the package, and then after it's done, my VM is back to normal state as it was. And you're welcome to go to https://colab.research.google.com and start learning, because there's a lot of stuff I could show you, and it is free. You just have to have a Google account, and you can just practice Unix, which is in this case Linux, and then also you can practice Python, and which I have already made some videos. Take care. God bless you all. And by the way, I already said Happy New Year. I hope it's a great blessing New Year for all of us.